How to recover deleted Telegram account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to recover deleted Telegram account. For this tutorial we will not be opening the Telegram application since it's been deleted, so we'll just be heading over to our browser, any of your browser, and just searching for Telegram support just like this. So once you're searching for Telegram support, click on the first link that appears, and from over here all you have to do is just describe your problem just like this. And once you describe your problem, just enter your full legal name, and you may also have to enter your email, your registered email. And once you do that, you can also provide your registered phone number. And once you do all of that, just click on submit, and your Telegram account contact support team will contact you under the 24 hours and help you and guide you through this process completely. So you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and do as they say, just like that, and your account should be successfully recovered. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.